I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by winding and loading the bobbin. You want consistent tension so stitches form evenly. Thread the spool, guide the thread through the tension disc, and wind until the bobbin has 0, 5 to 1, 0 full turns left. Once done, clip the thread tail, place the bobbin in the case per the arrow, and pull the thread through the slot. Make sure to match bobbin type to machine. Mismatches cause skipped stitches and uneven loops, so take that extra second to confirm. Now bring the bobbin thread up through the needle plate. Lower the presser foot so tension engages, then hold the upper thread with your left hand and turn the hand wheel toward you 1 full revolution. You will see a loop of bobbin thread rise. Use a small hook or needle to pull it out. Once the loop is visible, pull both threads out about 3 to 4 inches to the rear, place them under the presser foot, and you're ready to start sewing. To finish, trim excess bobbin thread and sew 3 to 4 backstitches to secure the seam. This prevents unraveling. If you see loops on the underside or top stitches skipping, stop and rethread the top and reload the bobbin, often a quick fix. Also, clean lint from the bobbin case and inspect for nicks. A damaged case alters tension. One key tip: if problems persist, switch to a fresh bobbin and test on scrap fabric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.